Hi, it's the Hub Mama. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to create a post in the iHub app, and that is to post from link. And we're going to do that from the IHUBApp Builder. So the first thing you're going to do is log into build.ihub.app, and you will land here on your dashboard. You're going to go over and click on Create, Posts, and then you're going to come over here and click on Add Post. Now, I'm not going to go into detail about all the different components of creating a post in this tutorial. I do that already in my tutorial on how to create a post in the iHub app. So you definitely want to check out that video so that you understand all the different areas that you need to pay attention to when you create a post. In this tutorial, I'm just going to keep it really quick, like posting from link is. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to choose which channels that you want your post to show up in. I do want to take a moment to refresh you or educate you on the channels because this is very important to all posts that you will create. So it's automatically has the home channel box checked. The home channel, think of it like a broadcast channel. So it's going to make that post public, even if you are publishing it to a member request or a private channel. So be really aware of that because you don't want, if it's something you don't want public, you definitely do not want that home box checked. Now, the whole philosophy behind the iHub app is to enable users to customize their experience on your hub. So it enables them to choose what content they receive. And that is one of the reasons that content gets read more and interaction goes up because everything is relevant to them. So you do want to be selective about using this home channel because you want to keep them getting that relevant content and have them have this positive experience on your hub and not getting, slammed with a bunch of public content. So, some instances where you might want to use this would be, say, if you were posting to a specific channel and you wanted it to be it was a good teaser post that would encourage other people who are not subscribers to that channel to subscribe to it. That would be a time where you would want to keep that home box checked. Or maybe you have a promotion going on and you were putting it in a specific channel, but you wanted everybody to know about that promotion. So those are some examples of when you would keep that home box checked. I'm going to check my iHub tips and tutorials and uncheck home in this example. And then you click on OK. So for post from link, you do not have to do anything with card style. It happens automatically. Post label, I'm going to check on tips. And again, I go into more detail about what that is in my other tutorial. You do not have to put anything into the title box. Post from link will automatically put the title in. Just come over here to post from link, and this is where you're going to paste the URL of the article that you want to share. So let's talk a little bit about when you would use post from link and why it works on the iHub app. So if you've been a WordPress user or a typical website, traditional website, they're not really set up for sharing little short snippets of content. It's really a place where you share longer blog posts, more meatier content. One of the great things about the iHub app is that it's sort of a blend between a website and social media in that respect. Because, how we go onto social media, maybe on our business page or in a business group, and we'll say, hey, check out this article, super valuable, very helpful for you. And, you'll write a little bit about it and share it. Well, the iHub app works great for that. So that's why they did this post from link, because it enables you to do this very quickly and very easily. So I'm just going to go over to my regular business website and I'm going to copy a blog post link and I'm going to paste that here. You can see that it worked. I'm going to click on next and you will see the magic. It automatically pulls the image from that post and puts it into the card style box. It automatically pulls the title from that post, puts it into the title box, and in the body area, it pulls the beginning portion of the content and inputs it there, and also the link to the post. Now, you can leave it just like this if that's all you want to do, or you can put your commentary here. I suggest putting it on the top, and that is because you can create a snippet that will work really well for the meta description. That because the iHub app automatically pulls the first 150 words of your content to use as the meta description, which is that description, that's that summary description that shows up in your Google results. So you can create something enticing and interesting and personalized here, and it will be used as a meta description as well. So again, I'm not going to go into all the different details of these post options. Please, again, go watch my other video for that, my other tutorial on how to create a post in the iHub app. And same thing with the modules. I am not going to walk you through each one in this tutorial, but I do in my other one. For this tutorial, we'll just do a call to action because every post needs a call to action, and I'll show you how that works. So you just type in a description of what you want the action of somebody to take. And so I'll type click get started, which is the prompt that the call to action shows on the front side of the post to schedule your complimentary consultation. You can add additional instructions here. This will add, as I will show you on the finished post, it adds a contact form. If you want to add an additional question to that contact form, you can do so. So we could say, let me know a day time that you prefer. And that's it. You'll just come up here and you're going to click on publish. Also in my other tutorial, I go through I share a little hack for if you are not ready to publish right away. So if you want to learn that, go watch that other tutorial as well. But for now, I'm just going to click on publish. It's going to show up here. And I'm going to show you what it looks like on the front side. So here you have the image, that title, your comments, the summary, the link, and here's your call to action. Click get started to schedule your complimentary consultation. It goes to a contact form. There's that question, and they submit that. And that's it. It's super quick and easy to create a post this way. So there is absolutely no excuse for not having time to create content. So again, I encourage you to go check out that other post tutorial about creating a post in the iHub app, and definitely check out the other tutorials on my channel. You can find them on my YouTube channel, or you can find them on my hub at hubmama.ihub.app, and just look for the tutorial menu item and you'll see all of them there. So that's it. Thanks for being here and have a great day.